We look for this deep golden color, and the husks must be completely dry before we pick.
The farmer tests the moisture by hand. Once satisfied with the hardness, the ear is snapped cleanly from the stalk, ready for drying.
The sheer scale of modern agriculture is perhaps best seen at harvest. This massive machine processes a
Deep within the harvester, steel meets stalk. A violent yet systematic process separates the golden kernels from the chaff.
All right, rolling onto the scale now. Gross weight coming in.
Scale ticket for you. Everything looks good.
Appreciate it.
Easy back, and stop right there.
The harvest avalanche begins. A steady stream of golden kernels moving through the heart of the facility. The journey begins here, deep in the intake pit, where the golden harvest is fed onto the massive conveyor. Millions of kernels funnel down into the massive concrete silo, forming a golden mountain before the cleaning process begins.
Deep within the silo, the golden harvest awaits its journey. The massive valve opens, releasing a torrent towards the cleaning facility. Shaken violently by the screen separator, the lighter debris is cast aside, while the precisely measured holes ensure a clean separation for the popcorn kernels. Finally, the polished kernels cascade into the gravity separator, ensuring a perfect, uniform product. As the kernels drop, air causes the lighter ones to drift toward the discard edge. The premium kernels stubbornly moving rapidly through the optical sorting channel, high-definition sensors scan every grain.
We look for any slight discoloration, anything that compromises the quality. It has to be perfect before it moves on.
Batch quality confirmed. Supervisor.
Excellent work. Send it up.
Here in the moisture control chamber, a fine, pressurized mist ensures every kernel absorbs the exact amount of water required.
The conditioning silo has reached its target. At precisely 14% moisture, the grain is ready for release.
Once the lever is engaged, the conditioned kernels flow rapidly into the high-pressure pneumatic tubes, heading straight for the popping room. The kernels swirl like a golden whirlpool before precise, measured handfuls are dropped into the intense, glowing heat below. The moment of transformation. The blistering kernel fractures, erupting in a brilliant white explosion. Here we see the massive, continuous mountain of popcorn beginning its journey down the stainless steel conveyor. Here we see the crucial cooling stage, where the popcorn is gently raked to prevent condensation.
The fluffy butterfly popcorn tumbles into the rotating sifter. Here, the heavy, unpopped kernel. The freshly popped kernels are gently carried up the steep incline by the specialized cleats, ensuring they remain
We use only the finest quality butter, carefully unwrapped before being dropped into the heated vat.
The molten butter is drawn through the heated pipes, ensuring a smooth, even consistency before reaching the massive flavoring drum.
The tumbling action ensures every piece is evenly coated. Then, a specialized hopper dispenses a curtain of oil. The powerful rush of cold air is crucial. It sets the butter, instantly transforming the wet coating into From the cooling belt, the golden cascade drops into the hopper, destined for the vertical form-fill seal machines below.
Gleaming stainless steel buckets rapidly open and close, ensuring the precise gram weight before dropping the golden popcorn into the foil tube.
Nitrogen gas is injected, removing the oxygen before the high-speed jaws create a perfect seal.
The serrated blade ensures a perfect seal every time before the bag moves to the boxing station.
After the laser etching, the bags move seamlessly into the robotic casing station, an elegant display of automated precision. The robotic arm handles the bulk with speed and precision, but the final quality check and seal remain the domain of our skilled human operators.
Once it hits the belts, the tape seals both ends simultaneously. It's much faster than doing it by hand.
The sealed boxes travel down the line, where the heavy-duty robotic arm ensures precise stacking before the final shrink wrap.
Make sure that wrap is tight. We don't want any shifting.
Looks good to go. Heading to Bay 3 now.
Through rigorous cleaning and sorting, we select only the finest kernels, conditioning them for the perfect burst, finished with a cascade of golden butter.
This setting controls the voltage for the plasma arc welding.
I see how it fluctuates like this, the slider.
The conditioning silo releases a controlled stream, ensuring perfect moisture content before the final verification.
The kernels must be precisely 100 grams for the consistency test.
A flawless expansion ratio of 44:1, conforming the gourmet quality of this batch.
Looks good. Activating the main line now.
The kernels travel at incredible speed through the arteries of the factory, rushing towards the intense heat of the industrial popping machines below. Swirling like a golden whirlpool, the kernels are gently guided by the agitator before being rhythmically fed into the popper below.
As the kernels drop past the valve, they meet the 400-degree air from the turbine. We suspend them in this intense heat.
As the heat penetrates the hull, the internal moisture vaporizes. The resulting pressure causes
The kernels erupt in a symphony of expansion, transforming the golden vortex into a blizzard of...
Riding the upward blast, the freshly popped corn cascades onto the cooling belt before it is packaged.
The sheer scale of the operation requires constant oversight. This rapid cooling process is crucial.
The paddle gently sifts the fluffy kernels, revealing their perfect shape. Carried by the belt, the popcorn is met with gentle
As the popcorn tumbles in the spinning drum, the heavy unpopped kernels, or old maids, fall through the holes onto the collection tray beneath. As the unpopped kernels are discarded, the centrifugal force gently guides the perfectly formed popcorn towards the collection chute.
This specialized cleated conveyor ensures the popcorn is handled gently, maintaining its fluffiness for the next stage.
The kernels ascend the blue rubber belt, cascading into the gravity chute. They flow like a white river toward this
These 50-pound blocks have to be unwrapped carefully before they go into the melter.
The heavy blocks of butter are dropped into the steam-heated vats, where they quickly melt into pure golden liquid. The molten butter travels through the heated pipes toward the flavoring drum, where quality is closely monitored by the team. The dry popcorn tumbles continuously before being enveloped by a fine, pressurized mist of golden gourmet butter. It is this precise, even coverage that defines the quality. The industrial flow ensures The specialized hopper dispenses a microscopic curtain of ultrafine sea salt, sparkling under the lights, locking in that savory flavor.
A continuous golden waterfall spills onto the mesh cooling belt. Below, massive fans whir to life, forcing cool air upward.
It's this hands-on approach that guarantees the perfect crunch every time.
A mesmerizing journey through polished steel, demonstrating the seamless blend of mechanical precision and human oversight on the factory floor.
Following the split, the popcorn reaches the radial scale, where 14 stainless steel buckets weigh the perfect amount for packaging. The vibrating cone ensures even distribution. The computer calculates the perfect combination, tracking 150 grams of gourmet popcorn as it descends into the heart of the vertical form fill seal machine. As the flat film curls into a vertical cylinder, the sealing bar creates a perfect airtight seal.
The nitrogen flushing system removes ambient oxygen, maximizing shelf life and protecting the delicate popcorn from being crushed during transit.
This machine packages nearly 300 bags an hour, ensuring each one is perfectly inflated and sealed before it hits the conveyor.
The inline check weigher ensures every product meets precise specifications. Should a bag register underweight,
Utilizing advanced pneumatic suction, the multi-jointed arm integrates seamlessly into the production line, showcasing fluid, organic.
And with the gourmet buttered popcorn secured, the final leg of the journey begins, straight to the consumer market.
self-correction. I am at 73. I must reach 98. I will insert an intricate, detailed sequence focusing on a...
Following the truck to a distribution center, unloading by a male worker, stocking at a gourmet grocery store, and end.
Morning, Sanjay. Got the gourmet shipment for you.
Right on time, thanks. Looks good.
All right, bring the first pallet out slowly. Watch the lip.
Efficiency is key here in the back room. Once the wrap is off, we prep the boxes for the floor.
A study in modern convenience. The natural industrial flow meets the tactile reality of human selection.
There's your popcorn. Thank you.
Once the nitrogen puff escapes, you get that rich aroma of toasted corn and warm butter.
The ultimate cinematic experience requires the perfect snack. And for her, that meant the biggest bowl of golden popcorn she could carry.
As the sun rises over the golden fields, we see the culmination of careful planning and
From the fields to the processing plant, this is how we ensure the highest quality popcorn.
From the silos above, the popcorn begins its transformation, moving through cleaning, popping, and finally,
The efficiency improves significantly once the popcorn hits the conditioning silo. We'll trace the new pathway right along this line.
For the lead engineer, the symphony of the automated plant is a source of immense pride. A balance.
Optimal position confirmed.
Monitor the butter drum's flow rate.
Flow rate is stable. The boxing sequence is accelerating smoothly.
A symphony of precision and scale, connecting the industrial park with the golden farmlands, completing the farm-to-table cycle.
The flow of industry meets the bounty of the earth. And at the heart of it all rests the seed that started everything.